Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Trivandrum location. It is from Kerala. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for collection executive position from HDB Financial Services. It is for Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So coming to skills required, collections knowledge is required, and coming to job description, if you consider here, you have to manage and monitoring the delinquent account collection for assigned portfolio, and you have to manage field visit on daily basis and ensuring the deposit of payment on daily basis. And if you consider here the roles and responsibilities same as the job description mentioned. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job opening, you can check in the official website link provided here, that is https://www.hdbfs.com/careers. Next, there is a job vacancy for collection associate position from HDB Financial Services Limited. It is for Attingal location, Kerala. So you can check with the job description provided here, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can check in the website link provided here, just like previous one. Next, there is a job vacancy for collection associate cross-sell position from HDB Financial Services. It is for Thiruvananthapuram location. So you should be a graduate, and 3 to 4 years of experience is required to apply for this position. Roles and responsibilities, and you need to responsible for collection efficiency on timely manner, and they have to responsible for effective cost management and also understanding and managing healthy portfolio. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Coming to key functions, it will be taking care of collection and recovery in consumer durable portfolio and handling individual collection portfolio, updating visit trails and money collection details on mobile app, 100% visit on all cases, tracking asset utilization and availability, managing daily and weekly targets as to facilitate the monthly targets, ensuring adherence to processes, compliance and audit related activities, and no delay in deposition. So these are the key functions. You please check with the details provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can check in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy from Topper. So they are looking for a mentor in its sales renewals team. So it is for Thiruvananthapuram location. So here are some of the skills provided, like integrity, empathy, drive, communication and continual learning. So you please check with all the skills provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://www.toppr.com/jobs/. There is a job vacancy for Team Manager Sales COCA1H. So this is the job vacancy. It is from Topper for Thiruvananthapuram location. So they are looking for dynamic professional in leading MP and driving the telecalling team, setting up revenue targets in line with organizational goals, motivating AMP, monitoring team to achieve AMP and exceed individual AMP and team targets, and ability to forge alliances quickly, provide team with a vision and objectives and manage key performance indicators, and set the monthly, weekly, daily targets for the team and ensure that the targets are achieved. So this is about the job description. Coming to requirements, you should you should have done MBA or PGDM or BTech or BE from recognized institutes, or else you should have done BCom or equivalent graduation from a reputed college. So these candidates can apply for this position, and they should be having 3 to 6 years of experience in business to consumer telesales experience is required, and having awareness of the subjects taught from classes. So these are the requirements for this job vacancy. You can check here with the detailed information, and for additional information like further details about this job opening, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://www.toppr.com/jobs/. There is a job vacancy for desktop EUCL1 position from Iron Systems. It is for Tirumala, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. So coming to job responsibilities, TechBar team will provide a high-touch support service to the business, and the team will have daily interaction with the customer staff and as well as their support personnel, and will perform all IT maintenance tasks, resolving moderate to complex problems immediately. And the team will be under the management and the direction of customer. So these are the responsibilities, and as well as you can check here with the job requirements provided here, and for more detailed information about this job vacancy, you can visit in this website link provided here, and you will get a more detailed information about this vacancy. The website link is https://www.ironsystems.com/company/career-opportunities. Next, there is a job opening for import officer position from Syngenta company. So it is for Tirunanthapuram, Kerala. Coming to qualification details, you should have done bachelor's degree or higher in business administration or logistics or any related fields, and 3 to 5 years of experience is required in the import function, and also experienced in crop protection, chemical and or seeds product will be preferable. We should having knowledge in English, especially in reading and writing, and also well knowledge of all import shipments and customs documentation and process, freight and shipping, inland cost price structure. So these are the qualification details and also requirements for this job opening. So for more detailed information and application process details and other information about this job vacancy, you can visit in this website link provided here, that is https://www.spingenta.com/en/careers. There is a job vacancy for showroom executive position from Onsen Homes for Thiruvananthapuram, and salary will be 20,000 rupees per month. It is a full-time job, and along with the salary you will get incentives for this job vacancy. Age should be between 28 to 40 years, and you should have done degree or BTech or MBA or computer science. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is info@armsonhomes.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for site engineer position from Onsen Homes for Tirunanthapuram, and salary will be 20,000 rupees per month, and along with salary you will get incentives. BTech candidates are eligible for this position, and experience of minimum 3 years is required. So they are looking for male candidates. It's a full-time job, so interested candidates, you can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given mail ID. So you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is info@omsonhomes.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for civil engineers from Omson Homes, and for this vacancy they are offering a salary will be 10,000 rupees per month. So BTech in civil department, so these candidates are eligible for this position. So for both male and female candidates, fresher candidates are eligible to apply for this position. It's a full-time job. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is info@omsonhomes.in. So that's it in this video guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.